Hello, world changers. Miss Large is here coming to you from the Penguin Chair. So I moved my chair around in my house because it is so beautiful outside today that I wanted to be as close to some sunshine as I could get. So I'm showing you this PowerPoint not in the slideshow view because I want to be able for some of our friends to be able to read alongside the bottom the instructions that we have for this week. Okay, so we are venturing into week 12 of our reading, and we've started our new unit called Finding Our Way, which I think is like fortuitously appropriate, right? We're in a global pandemic and, really trying to find some inspiration during a really challenging time. So, anyway, one of the things that we did a couple weeks ago is we voted on our mantra, and we talked about how a mantra is something that you say to yourself, ideally every day, and because the power of your words brings to you and your spirit this growth and belief in yourself and how important that is. So your part of your lesson this week is to record yourself saying your mantra. So first of all, we had to come up with our mantra. So we voted, and here are the results. So you can't see this screen probably really well, but if you maybe come back to it, but here are the results. So the fifth graders were given a chance to vote on 6 statements that spoke to you. So words that you chose for the creation of your Smart Student mantra. So which you're going to say out loud each day to bring the power of your words into your life. And this is going to be especially important for you as you go into middle school to really have that state of mind that you are a smart student. Because you are. You need to believe that, you need to own it, and these are the words that can help you. So of the 132 students that we have in 5th grade, 39 of you expressed your opinion and voted for of these 6 mantras, these 6 statements. So the top 3 are coming in, drum roll please, at 38.46%. Number 1 is I complete my schoolwork before playing. That is definitely the sign of a smart student. The second most popular, coming in at 33.33%, is I always give my best effort, even if I make mistakes. And I love that you chose that one because that shows that you are always growing, you're always changing, you're willing to make mistakes and just keep powering through, right? That's how we know our brains work, is by making mistakes, learning from that, moving forward. So I love that you found that one to be very inspirational. And the third most popular, coming in at 10.26%, is I take a moment to think, is this right? Or is this good? So now, world changers, it's time to put your words into actions. This is what you're going to do. Here is your final mantra. So what your assignment will be this week is to record yourself saying your mantra. Now, in a perfect world, I would have you record this every single day. I'm not going to have you record it every day, but I want you to really think about promising yourself to say it every day. So if you can maybe download this, write it down, somehow get this into a space where you can say it every day, because I promise you it works. All right, so, but Ms. Largess, how do we record this? All right, so to record this is a PowerPoint slide. So what you're going to do is, I'm right now at my home screen. you're going to click on the tab right next to it, which says Insert, because basically we want to insert ourselves recording. You're going to insert a recording. So click on Insert. Then up here at the top, you're just going to scroll along to the far right where it says Audio. You see there it has a drop down. So you're going to click on the drop down and you're going to select Record Audio. If you chose the audio on my PC, that's something that's already recorded on your device. We're not doing that. You want to select Record Audio. When you do that, see, it brings you up a little box, but it's in the middle of where we need to read. So you're going to left click, hold down your left mouse and scroll it to the out of the way so you can now see what you're recording. Okay. You can leave it just as recorded sound. It gives you a choice here to record a name. You can just leave it as that. The red button is to start, and then you'll see this square to the left. That is to stop. As soon as I hit this start button, the total sound length is going to start counting. So it counts up the seconds for my total recording. So you'll see that number start to move as I click start. And when we're done, we're going to click the square to stop. Okay. When we are done, it's going to show a microphone icon here in the middle of your screen with the recording. Okay. And you might have done this in some of your other classes, but just in case, I want you to have it here. All right. So let me demonstrate this for you. So I'm going to click on Start. All right. I am a smart student. As such, I am always guided to do and say the things that lead to my success. Each day, I walk and talk like the smart student I am. Each day, I complete my schoolwork before playing. Each day, I give my best effort, even if I make mistakes. Each day, I take a moment to think, is this right? Or is this good? From this moment on, anything that happens in my best interest because I am a smart student. Then click OK. All right, now you see how it gave me a little microphone icon? So I'm going to scroll this down out of the way. And there you have it. So for teachers, we can come back in here and click on your recording. I am a smart student. Ta-da! All right, so that's your assignment for this week. Okay, I want you to record your mantra. And again, in a perfect world, if we were in class, this is what we would be saying each day, sort of as our pledge of allegiance. Well, this is our pledge to ourselves. But we're not there. So I want you to really think about doing this on your own to bring the power of your words to yourself, your self-image, your being, and all the wonderful things that you are. All right, world changers, I will look forward to seeing all of the and hearing all of the creative ways that you come up with your mantra. All right, Ms. Largess signing out from the Penguin Chair.